Baby shark.
Happy birthday to you. Shark time.
He got bitten.
Whoa!
Hi there, I'm Nico and this is Wes, and we just landed on the beautiful Perhentian Islands in Malaysia. We heard that you can swim with sharks here, and this has been on our bucket list for a really long time. In this vlog, follow us as we explore the insane underwater of these islands, get attacked by angry fish, and get a taste of just how spicy Malay cuisine is.
It's so nice! Look at this paradise! Look at this view! It's so pretty. Okay, we're gonna get lost. Thank you.
This
Oh,
one,
wow.
yeah? Key.
The key is there. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Welcome to Perhentian.
The island is beautiful.
Outside this paradise. We're gonna freshen up and go look for food. We are on the Kecil island, which is the smallest one of the two Perhentian islands. And you can go to the beach on both sides of the island. And we are now walking to the other side, to Long Beach. We read that that is the more party area with a lot of restaurants and very lively area. And here is to Long Beach. Found a friend on the road. Oh? We found it. And it's so gorgeous. Going to eat, but I cannot wait. I'm gonna do a little test. Wow.
We found a place and they serve fresh coconut. They just got it from the tree. But it's not cold. I mean, they just got it from the
Can I
tree.
have a taste? Not a fan of coconut. So refreshing. After 7 hours of driving, 40 minutes with the boat, 20 walking through the jungle. It's been a journey to reach this. Buon appetito!
Buon appetito. Are you ready to see sharks?
No. We were just told that behind the rocks here we can see baby shark. Morning!
Morning.
From paradise. We woke up, had a quick breakfast, and it's time to go enjoy beautiful island and the beach and the underwater world. It is so pretty. It's like I'm in a TV show. like
White
the
Lotus?
Lost.
Oh.
Yeah. No, not White Lotus. We're not that fancy. First snorkel trip of the day, and he got bitten
By a fish.
by a fish. Tiny, tiny but black fish.
Aggressive fish.
Got angry.
After I dodged it for 3 times already, it managed to attack me in the back. From the back. Spent my entire life protecting animals. Get bitten by one. But now I don't understand, like, are the fish here aggressive or? Because if so, maybe swimming with sharks is not the best idea.
I can't get over the fact how beautiful and out of a movie this looks. Peaceful. There are tourists, but it's not overcrowded. And the people that are here, we feel like they all have the same vibe, which matches ours.
Shark Boy surface. Are we gonna see sharks? Do you want to tell me if we're gonna see sharks?
Sharkies. Okay, and we see turtles, sharks.
We're gonna see turtles and sharks?
Yes.
For sure.
Yes, for sure.
Sharks as well.
Shark also. You can see.
It's called Shark Boy, so.
How big are they?
When you're lucky, sometimes big, sometimes very bad.
Okay.
You can see shark. Black pig.
I just got bitten by a fish here. Is it dangerous?
Do you know?
No. No bite you. Shark will no bite.
Tomorrow we're gonna do this. 5 hours. We booked a snorkeling tour for tomorrow, of course, to go around this island and the other big island. But this mister right here is now saying he's scared to go into the water because a tiny little fish bit him trying to protect her nest. We read online.
Well, it hurt. And
He's a wounded man.
I'm a wounded man. And I don't understand what her problem was with me, because I'm very peaceful towards animals. I'm recovering from the bite.
Bit dramatic, are we?
Right in time to go for dinner.
It's time to go!
Birthday dinner! Someone is turning old.
Did you ask them to put balloons? I don't think they're ready. Let's wait for them to blow the balloons.
Hi.
We're a bit early, sorry.
Don't worry, we are almost ready.
Thanks.
Maybe close the eye.
I'll do this.
They're gonna surprise us.
Ta-da! I was right. There's a
I'm not
fire
sure if I
show.
feel very
You're very
safe
close. For my birthday.
Yes, I ordered it.
Thank you.
I liked these things more when I was younger.
Now you're first row and you're scared.
First row, bitten by a fish, I scared.
Wounded.
Wounded.
It's getting crazier and crazier.
And hotter and hotter. Whoa!
This right here is the boat that's gonna take us to the snorkeling trip today. It's been quite a tough morning. We've been rushing. We're a bit tired from yesterday, but it's gonna be great. I'm sure we're not gonna regret pushing ourselves to go this morning. So we've been told to sit next to another group and wait. That group just departed. We're like, hello? Anyone? We're a bit tired today, so 10% of us is like, if they forget us, it's fine, we'll go sleep. All good, we're going. This one? Oh. So beautiful! It's our island!
It's our island.
Are we on the big island?
No, this is still the small one.
Really? Small island inspired big? Stopped to pick up some more guests, and now the boat is full. We're going to our first snorkeling point, which is
Maybe Turtle Beach. Looking for turtles?
beautiful, insane, but a bit too many people around the turtle.
Jesus. This is also the real side of traveling.
Yeah, I mean, there's one turtle only under.
What turtle? Like at one point I just didn't, like we're here as well, so it's part of the problem too, but
Yeah, I went away, like I saw more boats approach and I was like, I saw it. It's fine.
first stop of the day, and it's called Nemo Point. So we're gonna find Nemo. Nemo is gonna be found finally.
Finding Nico.
It's Kasman, snorkeling Perhentian guide, snorkeling guide Perhentian.
He knows all the turtles.
Bye bye.
See, you reach. Oh my god. You turn into a different person when it comes to water.
Lunchtime.
In the fisherman's village. It's so pretty.
Our captain said we stop here for an hour. Food court, we can choose what we want to eat, and then we meet in an hour back at the boat.
About.
Like a buffet. Roti cheese and mango juice. I didn't know I was craving cheese so much. It smells very spicy. Good luck.
Can we call your dad in?
Yeah, good luck.
Spicy? No.
How much?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Okay. Yeah, you terima kasih. Me, sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Okay.
Terima
Thank you.
kasih.
Terima kasih.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Dessert is mandatory after every meal.
Malaysian donut.
Olive.
Good. It's actually a nice one. Shark time.
And now we are at the shark point. So for the shark, we have black tip reef shark. For the big one, depend. Sometimes they have a big, sometimes for the small one. So the big one about 1 or 1.5 meter. Okay?
Yeah.
Ready to go? Around that side.
like the first time I saw it, I was like my heart
See,
skipped a beat.
not supposed to.
And then I saw it was fine. And then, as if this boat trip couldn't get any better, after we saw sharks, we're gonna wash off in fresh water so the journey back home is pleasant. Like, what?
Should I pour it over you?
I'm being baptized on my first.
This was one of the best experiences ever. Like,
We were skeptical, we were tired.
yeah. Oh, imagine if we would have missed out on this.
Okay, bye. See you in Borneo.
Happy birthday, dear Nico. Happy birthday to you. Things went sideways.
We had a rough 48 hours.
Surrounded by monkeys. How insane is that?
There! Looking up the what? Yeah!